Where are we going?
Camping!
Camping. Where?
Above Santa Barbara.
Gaviota State Park.
That's it.
But there's traffic.
So much traffic.
Traffic in Hollywood.
Not sure how we're gonna set up when it's super dark over there.
We'll manage. We will manage. Even if it's dark, we'll put up the tent somehow. We have lanterns and stuff.
Yeah, we got.
We'll be okay. We'll be fine.
When there's a will, there's a way.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Peace.
Boop, boop.
A little bit, yeah. What's up? Camping. Can you even hear me? It's so windy. Hello, windy. Behind us we have our tent. We spent the night. I don't know how we survived, but we did. It wasn't as cold as Malibu Creek State Park, so that was a plus. But it is hella windy. Seth just cooked some breakfast. It's delicious. Thank you, Seth. And this is day 2. Day 1.5 of our trip. There's the water. Oh, just a little bit. Cold. Stay to Gaviota Beach Park.
Gaviota State.
What is it?
Gaviota State Park.
Gaviota State Park. Look at the ocean. The water is actually blue. Or bluer. So relaxing. Wow.
Can you even hear me? Ah! It's really windy.
I think I can hear you.
Oh, okay.
Let's look at it. Get closer.
It's yummy.
There. Focus. S'mores. And to think, Seth, that we almost left because the wind.
We're like, let's just leave. It's too much.
We stuck through it. Still sticking through
really
it.
windy, but
Yeah.
it's fine. We got used to it.
Once we get inside a tent,
It'll be fine, yeah.
it'll be fine.
Yeah, because our tent was like flying away. All our stuff was just flying away. People next to us, they fucking left early because their tent broke.
Yeah, marshmallow. What happened?
Yeah, people next to us left because their tent broke. It's just too much.
Yeah, here.
They're gone.
You can see below the tree, they left their tent sticks that broke. So they're like, enough, we gotta leave. And they're gone. And this is our tent.
And in the middle of the night too, we heard them walk out. Because I guess Eddie, you saw their tent had come out or something.
Yeah.
And we heard them like yelling and just like, ah, no. It was all in Korean, so I don't understand. You just heard them yelling.
It was a nightmare for them.
Yeah.
I feel bad,
I feel bad. Too.
Well, we're going to brave through the storm.
It's not a storm, it's just windy. It's fine. It's fine, we can deal with it. It's fine.
It's fine.
It's fine. It's fine.
It's the next morning. For breakfast, we have
Sandwiches? Ham and cheese sandwiches.
Thank you, Steph.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, go eat. Okay, let's go eat.
Which one's which?
Our tent survived another night. And it's not windy today.
Good.
don't know if you can tell, but it's really relaxing right now. All the way around. What's cool is that sometimes there's a train that goes this way or that way. One time I saw it was an Amtrak. Another time it was a cargo kind of train. Looky here, we have a visitor.
Still there?
Yep. Hi there. Hi there, little cute thing. Aww. We found our neighbor right beside our tent. See, look, here's Steph. Hey, Steph.
Hi.
Hey.
My zipper goes.
What kind of creature is this? Is this a mole? Or a groundhog? Wow, look at its... I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but look at its feet. The nails are super long. And that makes sense because it needs that in order to dig holes through the dirt. I feel like it's sniffing something that it wants. It's hungry. Oh, goodbye. Oh, there you are again. Hi. It looks small, but I think its body is actually big. Hey, buddy. Closer look. Oh, so cute. It's sniffing the air. Oh, goodbye. Oh, there it is. What are the chances of it digging a hole right next to our tent? It easily could have dug a hole right underneath us. Oh, maybe this is a gopher. I think this is a gopher. Looking at his teeth. I think so. Hi, gopher. Hello. Bye. Alright, see you later, gopher. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. We are going to clean up our campsite. Goodbye, campsite number 34. Goodbye. Because we're gonna go back to technology. Not right now. Technology later.
We're on our phones the entire time.
Yeah, we watched an episode of My Hero. Seth's favorite. And we're listening to K-pop. You see the JBL there? We already moved our sleeping bags and a lot of things that were here, so that's why it's vacant.
There's wood in there because it was so windy. We had to put more stuff inside.
Right, I'm not sure if you can see it, but there's wood there.
Anyway, let's go.
Let's go. Goodbye, Gaviota State Park.
Gaviota.
Shh. We've been here for like 2-3 days. Okay. Goodbye, Gaviota State Park. Until next time, this is an awesome camping site. Thank you, Steph. Thank you so much for recommending this spot and booking it.
Yeah, you can see the beach is right there. That's what's so cool about it.
Right
It's not
there.
too big of a camping ground, so you're not gonna have like a ton of people around you, which is nice.
Yeah, it's nice and intimate.
Yeah, and I like the bridge thing. It's pretty cool to have the train go by once in a while.
Right here. The bridge.
Anyway, yes, time to go.
So we'll be back sometime, maybe this year, maybe next year. We need to get new stakes though, because it was too windy, so we need to buy that. And I think other than that, we're good to go. It's another experience for us to level up and become more effective campers. Ain't that right, Seth?
Yes. You're such a nerd. Ain't that right, Steph?
for
Okay.
the water.
Let's go.
Okay, on to the next. On to the next.
Just do it!
I can't. My hands are full. You gave me this. Okay, on to the next. Isang bagsak.